Hi guys, so I'm gonna make unicorn slime. So first, we need half glue.
Yeah.
Oh, my glue so hard. Hmm. This is so heavy. Means so. Look at it. It's so beautiful.
We will make two types of slime.
Yeah.
Two kinds of slime, two designs.
Ah, so hard.
Yeah, just push it.
Yep, I know to do that. After this, okay, it's done. After this, we need some activator. It's an activator. Oh, do you know how to use this? Oh no. Oh no. After this, it's so hard. After this, we need to mix it with the spoon. Oh,
Careful.
yes. Ooh. Ooh. I don't know how to mix like that this first time. Now we're done. We need to put this on my first slime. So bossy. Oh no, I hope it won't
Careful.
be mess.
Oh, careful, wait.
After putting it, we need some colors.
Yeah, what colors do you have?
I have bubble gum and liquid color violet. I
Oh,
think I'll get bubble gum. I don't know what it is, but I need to find out.
bubble gum?
Yes.
Okay.
Ooh.
Okay, enough.
Okay. Smells like bubble gum. I didn't know. Now time to smash it. Ooh, so squeezy. I don't know what word is that, but you know. Ooh, time to smash it. After I put the bubble gum player, I'm gonna mash it. Ooh, it's so sticky, so it'll be slime. I can't wait to play with it. Oh, I miss slime forever. So sticky, icky. Ooh,
Ooh.
it's not that big stretchy, but I gotta mix it first. Ooh, so crunchy the sound.
Can I see?
It's white, smell like bubble gum and rainbow.
Yeah, you put more design. Wow.
Wow, it's a slime. I can't believe it. Oh, there's more. What? I can't. It's so fluffy. It's so stretchy now. Oh. Oh yay! I made a slime. So stretchy. It feels like a bubble gum. Just kidding. Feels like poof. I can't wait to fart it. And yay! You made a slime. Look at it. So poofy. It became slime. Look at it. It's so, it feels slime now. Wow. I would play with this forever and ever. You know that? It's a rainbow with full of clouds.
Can I see?
There.
Wow.
So beautiful.
Yeah, put it all the
Yeah.
circle. Oh yeah.
There's a lot.
Okay.
There's
Next,
glue.
the other one. What kind of design do you want?
Maybe I'll choose this and this. Let's try it out.
Okay.
Ooh. Can open it. Okay, there. Ooh. Oh, look at it. There's a lot of balls.
Yeah, put it all.
I'm scared. There. Oh, there's one more left. There. And then you need to mix it first. Mystery. And then now need to put the color purple. My favorite color.
Open up.
Ooh.
That's colorful.
Oh,
Wow!
I can't wait. Oh, it's so beautiful. Wow. Oh, guys. Oh, it's water purple. Water purple bubble gum. Those smell very goody. As you see, I'm holding the purple sign. Look at it. It's like bubble gum too. They matches. It's so fluffy. Very much. Thank you forever. It's so fluffy. I can't imagine how.
And next time we will make the other one, the pink one and the glittery.
Yes.
So what will you say?
Bye.